Sophia, look at me. Lexi. Hi there, girls. Hi. Say hello, everybody. Look at us. That's Sophia on the left-hand side and Miss Alexis on the right-hand side. Hi. You're going to say hello to everybody. Oh, look at that. We're holding hands. Hi. What you doing, girls? Lexi, look at mommy. Hi, Sophia. Smiles. Can we have smiles, please? Oh, don't hit her in the face. Careful now. Careful, careful, careful.
Careful, careful.
Aiden, are you going to come and say hello? Come sit down over there.
Okay.
Sit down.
Cheese.
And there's little Hayden.
Cheese.
Can you say your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Cheese. Cheese.
Can you do your ABCs again?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Very good. Give yourself a clap. Can you give yourself a clap? Okay, can you do your count to 10? 1.
1, 2, 3. Big cheese.
Say cheese to the camera.
Cheese.
What are those little girls doing?
Plain.
Are they being silly girls?
Cheese.
There's Mr. Hayden.
Drink.
Have you been good this morning?
Cheese.
Have you been good?
I'm green.